Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to create a login page in Framer. So the first thing that you should do is you have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out framer.com or just type out Framer, and then you'll be able to see different results. You just have to click on the first website. Okay, so right here, you will then just have to click on the start for free option. And then after signing up for an account, you'll be able to see your dashboard right here. So you can create a login page to the new project or create a login page to your existing project. So I'm just going to create a login page using this project. So when you're here, the next thing that you should do is you just have to click on this plus icon at the top left of your screen. Okay, so let me just adjust the view of this design. Okay, so now click on this plus icon at the top left, and then using the search bar, just have to type out form. Okay, so you'd be able to see this element, so you just have to drag and drop this element to the section where you want to put this login page. Okay, so I'm just going to put this one right here, and then the next thing that you should do is we are going to start customizing this login page. Okay, so let me just zoom this one, and then if you would like to change the alignment, okay, so you can adjust it. You just have to click on it. So let me just bring this to normal. Okay, so when you click on this element, as you can see at the right side, you can see the settings where you can customize this manually. So for example, this one, so when you go here, if you want to change the color of this container, so we just have to go here to the fill section, and then we just have to select the color that we want to achieve. Okay, so it depends on the design that you want it to do with the login page. Okay, so going back here now, you also have the settings if where do you want this login page to link to. So as you can see right here on the form section, we have the send to and the redirect option. Now for the send to, we are going to use email for this one, and then you can add more send to section. Okay, so for this video, I'm just going to use the email, and then next we have the redirect option. So here we can link this to another URL. Okay, so we have the pages. I'm just going to use this page right here, and then after that we can now add an effects if we want to. So just click on this plus icon right here. We also have the overlays, the cursor, and then the other element, the other settings for this element. Now when you click on the plus icon below this box right here, you can add more section. Okay, so for example, we want to add a checkbox. So you just have to click on the plus icon once again and select the checkbox, and then you'll be able to see here now. And if you want to customize this one, you just have to click on it, then go at the right side of your screen, and then you can start customizing it. Okay, and then once you're done, you need to publish this login page. So to do that, you just have to click on the publish option at the top right of your screen. But before that, let me just edit the component first. Just go here and then edit the component, and then if you want to make any changes in the component section, just have to click on it. You can change the color, the size, and then the font. After that, we have to preview this one. So if you think this one is good already, so you can now publish this login page. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.